Turn your village into a digital powerhouse, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to a transformative journey where your small village can become a thriving digital hub. With the right strategies and tools, even the most remote communities can harness the power of technology to grow businesses, create job opportunities, and connect with the world. What you'll learn in this guide: laying the digital foundation, setting up a reliable internet connection and affordable digital infrastructure, introducing the basics of digital literacy to your community, empowering local businesses, creating online shops for local products using platforms like Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, or WhatsApp Business, using social media marketing to showcase unique village crafts, produce, and service, leveraging AI and emerging technologies, exploring AI-based tools for agriculture, small businesses, and education, using AI-driven insights for better resource management and decision-making, launching digital marketing campaigns. Step-by-step guides to run Facebook and Instagram ads for your village-based businesses. Search engine optimization (SEO) tips to help local websites rank higher in searches. Creating opportunities for the youth. Teaching freelancing skills like graphic design, content writing, and social media management. Connecting youth to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn to find global opportunities. Building a collaborative community. Hosting workshops and digital literacy sessions for everyone. Encouraging collaboration between local entrepreneurs and external stakeholders. Why digital transformation matters. Digital empowerment isn't just about technology, it's about creating a brighter future, reducing unemployment, and putting your village on the global map. Your questions matter. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and let's build a connected and prosperous community together. Subscribe now for more actionable guides and updates on digital empowerment. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about the latest tips and tools. Together, let's turn your village into a digital powerhouse.